So I recently got a query regarding Google Ads competitor using my business name in headline. Hi Adi, hello. Someone is using my name in their business headline. Have you ever had a problem when competitor use your business name in the Google Ads headline linked to their website? I get bidding on competitor name keyword in search results is a thing, but putting my exact business name in the headline with a link to their website is crazy. I reported to Google and just filed for a trademark because but now I can't get the ad to show again consistently. Sometimes it shows, sometimes it does not. Have you dealt with this before, and is there any way to track if they are running ads like this without constantly searching it myself, like alerts tool, anything? I found the ad transparency thing, but it doesn't show the exact version I saw. So first of all, you can use the Google Ads transparency report as you have mentioned as well, transparency center. So simply use it over here and to see if someone is running ads with your business name or not. But this is a very unfortunate incident over here, so I think that is not a good decision whatever has happened with you. So now in order for this you have already done a trademark report, but if anyone don't know, simply search on Google trademark report over here, and you can simply go to trademark and select the submit a trademark complaint over here, and you can simply report the content on the Google. Start with your report content on the Google and start with trademark and do the complaint over here to the Google team for your trademark. Now it's why it's necessary. It's because someone is using your name. That is not allowed. That is ethically not correct as well, not legally. So you already did a very good idea on already doing a report to the Google. If you ever get an email from them, you can also do a follow-up backup on them as well, and you can also call to them. And if still the issue persists, you can hire one of the Google partners like us. We are here for this work. So as a Google partner, we can help you and make sure that someone else does not use your brand name or business name in any way. Your name is your property, you own it, and someone is not allowed to use your name. Maybe they can downgrade your reputation, or they can use your own hard work to generate customers for themselves, which is not allowed. So yeah, we will help you definitely in the sorting around. But you can also report a trademark report, which you have already done it. And just keep an eye on ad transparency report, and there are some Google alerts available as well, through which when someone appears your name, you can simply figure it out, and we can help you with all of this. So if you want to hire me and my team for any of your Google Ads work, so we are a full-fledged digital marketing company with the name of AARS.com. So the link in the description of this video and how you can reach me and my team for working. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.